Page 43. This is a theme from Symphony No. 9, Opus 125, the fourth movement by Beethoven, also known as the Choral Symphony, a very famous melody. The melody is also known as Ode to Joy because that's the name of the poem that Beethoven used for the words in this piece. So all piano students play this at one time or another. That's what it is. I don't have a whole lot to point out here. Rhythm-wise, I hope you can get it. There is a note at the bottom that goes with the asterisk in the first measure about the notes in parentheses. You can read all about that. I leave that up to you whether you're going to play those as half notes or quarter notes. I'm going to play it just the way it's written as quarter notes. But again, so you know a little bit about the background. You're going to do the investigation yourself and read about the history of this piece of music, this Ninth Symphony. It's really interesting. I'd encourage you to go listen to it. It's amazing. Third line down, last measure. Look at this. You hear? The C in the left hand and the end of that is melody. So here it would be 3-1 on the B flat C. If you can, bring out the C. What you can do if you can't is simply play the C in the right hand and just play the B flat because you want to play the C louder than the B flat. So that's doable too if you need to. Let's cover this. I don't know that we really need to play with me or not, but let's just go ahead. I'm doing it in all the other videos. I just will do it here too. I'll give us 4 counts and let's play it together. Right hand, left hand. I've got B flats all over the place because this happens to be in the key of F. It doesn't say that it is, but it is. 1, 2, ready, go.